First, I will make a rectangle and duplicate it. Select alternate rectangles and change the color. Place the rounded rectangle on it and crop it. Add this shape as a new art brush. Take a spiral and use that brush. Then expand it. Select it and change the color. Choose Ellipse tool for making highlights. Select the shapes and change opacity to 50%. Then select the rectangle, color it and use revolve into it. Now your swirly lollipop is ready. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and share. Visit ThincKoncepts.com to learn and earn at the same time.